Welcome to my kitchen. Day 2. Today we're gonna be making the bacon jalapeno mac and cheese, or as I like to call it, as they used to call it, jalapeno business bacon mac and cheese. Let's get started. Use this flat pan. We got the bacon, 2 packs of it. So the bacon's been going for about 3.5 minutes now. I'm just gonna flip them over. And in the meantime, I already put water, hot water, into my pot, along with some salt, some mixed cheeses, some flour, cream sauce base, cream cheese, panko breadcrumbs, Monterey Jack, Southwest spice. Again, they only gave me 2 things of garlic. I don't know what it is, about 1 clove per 2 servings, but I only have this much garlic left from my fridge, but I'm gonna add these tiny little pieces, and that's gonna be the garlic we have for today. 2 jalapenos, 2 6-ounce bags of cavatappi. And the directions say to save some of the bacon fat for cooking the jalapenos in later. So I am gonna use a different pan though, because this isn't gonna be a pan I wanna cook the jalapenos in. Not much depth to it. So I'm just gonna put this pan to the side and then get some oil off it later. So while the bacon cooks, we need to wash and dry produce. Half the jalapeno crossways, removing the ribs and the seeds. And then thinly slice 1/2 into half moons and finally dice the remaining. Next step says, while the pasta cooks, place 2 tablespoons of butter for 4 servings in the small microwave safe bowl. Melt it for 30 seconds, stir in the panko with some salt and pepper. Easy enough. 2 tablespoons of butter, looks like that. Okay. Get the butter nice and melted. Salt, I'm gonna use my onion salt just because that's what I feel like. And they didn't really say how much, so I'm gonna try not to add too much. And then for pepper, I'm opting for cayenne pepper, so a little sprinkle goes a long way. Drained the cavatappi. Now we're gonna make the sauce. We're gonna add the sliced jalapeno, not the diced, the sliced, with some of that bacon fat we saved and some salt. So I actually put the bacon fat in another gray container, so I'm just gonna pour it in here. And, it's hot already. Just swirling it around to get some of that bacon fat mixed in with the jalapeno, salt. Cook for 2 minutes. A little salt going on here, like that. When this is done, keep it 2 minutes. I'm gonna put this in a small bowl, so I guess I'll just put it right back in the bowl with the bacon fat. And then we're gonna add the diced jalapeno and the garlic to the pan. Stir that up, season it with salt and pepper. Okay then. Got like a nice char on them for sure. Diced jalapeno, garlic, actually gonna go ahead and take this off the burner for a second because the garlic is already charred, so it's too hot. We're basically gonna add flour to coat everything, and then we're gonna add the cream sauce, cream cheese, Southwest blend, and pasta cooking water. I did not reserve that like I was supposed to. Oops. Well, I'm gonna add some water and then maybe a little bit of cornstarch. That way I still have some starch in my water. Let's coat everything in flour, so we're gonna do that first. I didn't add salt and pepper. What's wrong with me? Onion salt this time. A little bit of onion salt. I don't want to over salt it, so that's good for now. A little bit of cayenne, or a lot of it. I'll stir that around a little bit as well. So we're gonna add the cream base, the cream cheese, the Southwest spice, and some water and some cornstarch. Handy dandy whisk. The Southwest spice blend. Okay, about half a cup of water. And I don't really measure this stuff. I'm just gonna pour it, put a little cornstarch in there. Ooh, that's a little too much. Okay. And then it says reduce heat to low. And then we're gonna simmer this and whisk it until the sauce is smooth and slightly thickened, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna put 3 minutes on the timer. Okay. Time to add the cheeses. What's that one TikTok famous lady? It ain't gonna slide down easy if it ain't cheesy. I don't like the flabby parts of the bacon, so I'm not gonna include that. Cavatappi. Transfer into a baking dish. Sprinkle the top with the panko and the sliced jalapeños, and then broil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see if I have a container, y'all. I feel like I do. I cleaned my cast iron skillet thing, and I'm gonna transfer the mac and cheese into here. I'm gonna top it with some regular black pepper. It's not really coming out. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the jalapeno first, the sliced jalapenos. And lastly, the panko bread crumbs. And we're done. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. While it's cooling off, I'm gonna go across the street, pick up some tacos, cause it's Cinco de Mayo. All right, time to eat. And I only have half a plate because I'm also gonna eat tacos. I know tacos and mac and cheese don't really go together, but it's Cinco de Mayo and they were on sale. So I got some tacos. But first, let's review this meal. That's what I remember. Like I said, I've cooked this before. This is jalapeno business, okay? I know what this is. Try to change the name? No, I know who you really are. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And it's not even hot anymore. I'm gonna go heat it up a little bit more in the microwave because I waited too long, but 10 out of 10, people. It's cheesy. It got some subtle hints of bacon in there. The long pieces of jalapeno and even like the cut up pieces of jalapeno, they don't really give spice. They kind of give like a refreshing, crisp note, I guess, to the food. Do I feel like this is 4 servings? Maybe.